So you're right, for most people, it's not going to be easy to change the firmware, but those who know how to do it, it actually really is easy. So like these Apple Watches here, most people don't know, there's 5 little pins in there. And those actually can be used with this tool here. This is the iBus tool, which allows you to program the Apple Watches. Now this one allows you to change the firmware and stuff like that, diagnostics on the Apple Watches. The tool is $70, and the firmware files are actually right on their website, so you don't even have to look for them. Once you buy the tool, you can upgrade and change the watches from demo mode into regular mode. And with Apple products, their display units are fully functional. There's no missing parts. So like these ones here are demo mode. This one I removed it. These ones are just old. I didn't bother because they're not worth like anything. And I think 1 or 2, I just took some parts of the battery for another one. For the iPhones, they're fully functional as well. You'll have to put custom firmware. For iPhone specifically, you can use something like Checkmate. Just Google it, and with their tool, they allow you to basically it jailbreaks the phone and then removes anything: iCloud locks, SIM locks, passcodes, anything for the phones. For the Apple laptops, it removes their activation screen locks, UEFI firmware locks. For the Apple Watches, they also do it on their site too. Again, if you click their link, they'll take you down and they'll give you the tools. So this is the tool. This bar slides right into the slot there, inside. And then this clips into it. That's what holds it in place while you're programming it. And that'll do that. And they even have videos on how it's done, what they do. Now, for Androids, it's a little different. If you were to steal these demo models, a lot of them are missing parts. They're missing the cellular parts. So it does all the features, but there's no service. There's no SIM. The actual slot is like empty inside there. They're missing the chip that reads that. But everything else is original. So if you're using it as like a demo phone, a testing phone, or just on Wi-Fi for not calling, say for kids or something, you can do that. Now, you're probably saying, oh, this is going to get blacklisted. That probably will happen because once it's stolen, they report it. But if you send these phones overseas, they're usable. Only Canada or North America use IVI blacklisting. So send it off to another country, and you can sell those no problem. And a lot of countries will pay full price because they want North American phones rather than other one, lower grade. And then for Samsung, if it was a display model and it wasn't missing that chip, then you can always use tools like the Commere tool, which can allow you to change the firmware with a couple of clicks again. So if you got the right tools, it's actually not that hard. And I'm sure these guys that stole the phones, they don't know how to do it, but I'm sure they know a guy that does. Or if they're smart enough, a quick Google search can get you most of this information. And it's very easy. You just got to get the tool, and you're good to go. Each tool is maybe like $100. The 80 for the watch one. This tool, I think it was about $100, and that gets you a full year of use to unlock pretty much any phone. Any Android phone, that is.